Today, we are going to learn a crucial aspect of your job search: effectively navigating company websites and official publications. Mastering this skill can provide you with valuable insights, setting you apart in interviews, and helping you make informed career decisions. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to identify key sections of a company's website that offer valuable information, extract pertinent details from official publications, apply this information to enhance your understanding of the company, and inform your interview preparation. Exploring the company website. The website of a company is often the most direct source of information, therefore you should always refer to it before going for an interview. Key sections to focus on include About Us. This section provides insights into the company's history, mission, vision, and values. Understanding these elements can help you assess whether your personal values align with the company's culture or not. Products and services. Familiarize yourself with what the company offers. This knowledge allows you to speak intelligently about their offerings and how your skills can contribute. News or press releases. Companies often share their latest achievements, projects, and initiatives here. Staying updated with recent developments demonstrates your proactive interest. Investor relations, if applicable. Public companies provide financial reports and strategic plans in this section, offering a glimpse into their financial health and future direction. Utilizing official publications. Beyond the website, companies release various publications that can offer deeper insights. Annual reports. These comprehensive documents detail the company's performance over the past year, including financial statements, management discussions, and future plans. Reviewing annual reports can provide context on the company's path and priorities. Sustainability reports. If available, these reports highlight the company's commitment to social responsibility and environmental sustainability, reflecting their broader impact and values. Corporate brochures. These materials often summarize the company's services, achievements, and culture, offering a concise overview.